The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 637, in effect until 3:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Mississippi: Scott, Lauderdale, Jasper, and Jones. This includes the following highways: State Route 35 between mile markers 1 and 36. Remember, a tornado watch means that the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapid changing weather conditions and listen out for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Meridian, Mississippi has issued a tornado warning for extreme southwest Scott County in southern Mississippi, extreme southwest Lauderdale County in southern Mississippi, extreme southwest Jasper County in southern Mississippi, extreme southwest Jones County in southern Mississippi, until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, trained weather spotters were tracking a tornado near State Route 35 at a local Walmart and was moving west at 27 miles per hour. The tornado will be near Forest and Meridian by 8:45 p.m., Bay Springs, Heidelberg, Lewin, and Montrose by 8:50 p.m., Laurel, Ellisville, Moselle, and Soso by 8:55 p.m. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time for southern Mississippi. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Scott, Lauderdale, Jasper, and Jones.
Good evening, folks. We have a tornado warning issued for Forest, Meridian, Laurel, Ellisville, Moselle, Soso, Bay Springs, Heidelberg, Lewin, and Montrose. This tornado was spotted off State Route 35 east behind Walmart in Forest, Mississippi. We advise everyone in Lauderdale, Scott, Jasper, and Jones counties to take cover right now. This storm is 5 minutes away from State Route 35 east and heading west to Meridian, Mississippi. Please take shelter right now.
We are looking towards Meridian, Mississippi on one storm cam, and towards Forest, Mississippi on another storm cam, and we see 1 mile north of the motel in Meridian, Mississippi, and looking at the Walmart in Forest, Mississippi, seeing that this is an EF5 tornado in the vicinity of the Walmart parking lot and in the vicinity of State Route 35. We really advise you to take cover right now. Go down low into a basement, or an interior room such as a bathroom, a hallway, or a closet. Don't be near windows in case the tornado breaks through the windows of your residence. Use protective equipment such as a mattress, blankets, a hard hat, or any type of helmet you have that includes a fire helmet. Do not leave your shelter until the storm passes through your area. If the storm misses your residence or residential area, remain in your shelter until the storm lifts from the areas that are warned. And this tornado is rain-wrapped, so you may not be able to see it. And this is at night, so the tornado will become pitch black and become wrapped in rain, so take cover immediately.
Oh no, this is horrible. We have an EF5 tornado coming into our residential neighborhood of Forest, Mississippi. Let's check to see if that's correct. Oh my God, Doris. It's an EF5 tornado.
Oh no! And Kalo is still out there. He might get sucked up by the tornado.
Who cares if he gets sucked up by the tornado? That little bald punk deserves it anyway.
Boris, the tornado is getting closer.
Quick. Let's just get Rosie and go into the basement. Rosie, we need to go to the basement. There's no time to explain. Now let's go. Okay, Rosie. Now that we're safe, I can explain why we brought you down here. The reason is that the city is being destroyed by what they call a large EF5 tornado. So, we had to come down here to make sure we don't get crushed.
Oh no, that is horrible. Mommy, Daddy, I don't want to die. What are...
Don't worry, Rosie. We are safe down here.
Everything will be okay.
What